Man, it's such a nice day. Huh? What is that? Well, by the looks of it, it looks good. I also love yellow. Basically, I love all colors, and I hope it's cheese. Whoa. This land is huge. Hey, look, cheese. Nom 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 nom.
Stay away from our cheese or else.
Later.
Hello. Your name is Cheese Orb, right?
My name is Thomas Idiot.
Later again.
King. We had a discussion. So first of all, he ate my cheese. He also called me Cheese Orb and not Thomas.
They broke the laws. They broke Law 1 and 2, the most important laws in the Cheeseland history.
Dude. You think it's necessary to check the laws and say a random sentence?
Meow. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow.